Hey everyone, welcome to CJ Pony Parts. Today we'll be working through another install, walking you through the process step by step so you can tackle it with confidence. We'll show you everything you need to know, from prep, tools you'll need to do the job, the fitment to get the perfect look, plus helpful tips to make your install go smoothly. Let's get in gear and get started. Door handles tend to take a beating. They're almost constantly exposed to the elements and something you use every time you use your car. This upgrade is necessary if your existing handles aren't working or if the finish has lost its shine. To get started, we're going to want to get inside and take off our door panel. So this is off. Beautiful. We're not going to let this cut fool you. This can be tedious. So just be persistent with it and you'll get it. Boom. And now to move on to the same thing with the window crank. In order to change our exterior handle, you have to remove the interior door handles and the armrest. Be sure to check out our videos on how to do that. Next, we're going to want to take off our door panel so that we can reach the inside of the exterior handle. To take off your door panel, you're going to want to use a pry tool like this. To reach the hardware on the inside of the door, you're going to want to make sure your window is up so you have access to everything. Inside the door, there is a small nut that is 3/8, and there's also a clip that we'll be having to pop off of the rod that works our door mechanism. The handle, the side that is towards the front of the car, is where you'll need the 3/8 drive. Something that was an oversight with our classic Betty is that she doesn't have any water shield. We will be reinstalling a water shield in Betty, but just know that you will need to peel your water shield back to access the inside of the door. To remove the handle on the outside, all you'll need is a screwdriver. And if your paint is in beautiful condition, unlike classic Betty, you may want to put some masking tape on your door in case your handle slips. Once the screw is off and the bolt is out, at the bottom of the door, there is the rod that controls your latching mechanism, and you just need to pull that straight out. So once you maneuver the mechanism out of the door, you should be able to just pull it straight out of that at the bottom. Hold grind. Now that we have this off, I'll be showing you all of the aftermarket door handles we have available at CJ Pony Parts. The Chrome Exterior Door Handle Kit. This chrome-plated exterior door handle fits 1965, 1966, 1969, and 1970 Mustangs. This would be considered a stock replacement and is one of our best-selling door handles. This is what we'll be installing on Betty today. The Chrome Show Quality Handles. These are a higher grade, show quality chrome-plated door handles from Scott Drake. These fit 1965 and 1966 Mustangs. They're perfect for any concourse or show car style restoration. Black Exterior Door Handles. The Johnny Cash of door handles. These door handles come in a sleek black finish if you're looking to change up the exterior of your Mustang. These handles fit 1965, 1966, 1969, and 1970 Mustangs. To assemble our new door handle, you'll want to place this O-ring over our push button and align these tabs with the slots in the door handle. Then placing the spring onto the push button, placing the grommet on the door handle, and then lining up our mechanism. This tab will go into this hole here, and this will slide down over our push button, putting the spring in place. And then we just need to, while holding all of that together, you'll want to place a screw down in that hole. And reusing our rod, you'll want to place this in with the spring. And now that our new door handle is assembled, we can install it on our car. So we'll need to place the rod back down into the door. And fitting this mechanism in the door is the hardest part. Once you have the new door handle in place, you'll want to reinstall the screw to hold the handle. Now that the exterior of the door handle is on, we're going to want to reinstall that rod into that clip inside of the door. And then our 3/8 nut we're going to want to put in on the handle on the end that is towards the front of the car. Make sure your door is working properly. You'll want to engage it and give it a test. You hear how snappy that is? That's nice. Okay, beautiful. All right, now we get to put this back together. Once you have your armrest assembled, you are ready to install it on your door. Another trick for installing the C-clips is making sure it's pushed fully ahead and pushing into place. Look at that. Now that our door panel's back on, our armrest and door handles are installed, that completes our exterior door handle installation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future installs, product spotlights, or event coverage. Got questions or want to show off your ride? Drop a comment or tag us on social media. We love to see what you're building. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.